Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. The cutting-edge Subaru Forester will offer a crossover drivetrain highlighting 2 electric engines and a little Super Atkinson cycle petroleum motor. One of the electric engines will probably be utilized to turn over the motor and re-energize the introduced battery. Interestingly, the subsequent engine will be bigger, all the more impressive, and can drive the vehicle either alone or alongside the fuel motor. Combined with a turbocharged gas motor, it's possible the new half-breed drivetrain will answer numerous reactions of the ongoing e-Boxer mixture framework accessible in the Forester and 15. As per the Japanese magazine Mag-X, the cutting-edge Subaru Forester is approaching. It is normal to make a big appearance in 2023 and will shockingly utilize Toyota's crossover motor innovation. The all-new Forester is supposed to make a big appearance in 2023, which checks out given the new facelift. Subaru is additionally adding another wilderness trim to the Reach, improving it than any time in recent memory. Today, Subaru and Toyota have had a strong association since the first 86 and BRZ. The alliance extended to incorporate the new GR86 and BRZ and, surprisingly, an electric SUV planned one next to the other. The Subaru variant was known as the Solterra, while Toyota picked the name BZ4X. Subaru is supposed to outfit the Forester with a total mixture framework. The report proposes that the crossover powertrain will join 2 electric engines and a gas motor in view of the Atkinson cycle. The next Forester will be presented with an extremely durable AWD in a run-of-the-mill design, not neglecting its rough terrain qualifications. Simultaneously, bigger batteries and further developed half-and-half powertrain proficiency will take into account a lot of lower discharges and fuel utilization evaluations than the ongoing age. The 5th-age Subaru Forester sent off in 2018 and got a facelift in 2021 with the advantage of an overhauled face, new trim choices, smoother driving, and further developed well-being gear. The SUV is offered with a lightweight hybrid 2.0-liter e-Boxer engine that produces 148 horsepower, 110 kilowatts, 150 PS, but in the US, customers get a more powerful but thirstier 2.5-liter Boxer engine. It produces 182 horsepower, 184 phosphorus monosulfide, 135 kilowatts. Japanese buyers also get the option of a turbocharged 1.8-liter engine that produces 174 horsepower, 130 kilowatts, 177 PS.